YouTube, back with another video. On my last video, I had done sanded the car down and everything. Like, I had done sanded, primed a couple of spots just to see what I had going on. But today we're gonna try to fix it. Oh well, I had to just show it to you. Yeah, I had to just show it to you. See, we got these spots here on the hood, and we're gonna try to fill them in. I don't know. I'm still thinking that I should just try to take all the metal off of it, but we're gonna try this and see how this works, and then if not, then we'll just go with the other method. So we're about to get started with that. I don't even got a tube, so I guess we're gonna have to try to go find some hardening. Alright. Yeah, as you can see, I got certain spots that came out, you know. I guess I gotta finish letting that dry, and then I'll be able to go back and sand it out. So that's what we're doing now. So let me get finished. Well, now we're trying again. We're gonna mix it again, see how we can do this. I seen them keep saying that you're supposed to take it and flip it over and all of that. So we're gonna try that, see what we can get. All right, here we go. Ready to try it again. For some reason, it just seems like it's drying really quick. I don't know how this, I don't know what this is about. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it just seems like it's drying really fast. I don't know if I'm not putting enough hardener in it, or if I'm putting too much hardener in it. I don't know. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. You can believe that. You know, it might take a couple of times, but we're gonna figure all of that out. It's drying really quick, so I don't know. But I mean, the spots are leaving, so I'm guessing it's kind of working. It's doing what I'm asking it to do. You know, it just seemed, for some reason, it just seemed like it's not. It just seemed like when I was seeing on YouTube, I was seeing them like just going ahead and plastering it out. It's not doing that. For some reason, it seemed like it's just drying real quick. So might have to go and check YouTube or read the instructions again. I mean, I read the instructions and it was basically like the same thing, so I guess we're gonna go back and try something else. So give me a minute and let me try to figure something out. All right, so now we're gonna try it again. You know, this is all a part of trial and error, man. You know, just get out here and try it. You know, it can't hurt. It can't hurt you to try. You know what I'm saying? You never know what you can do until till you try, and that's what I'm about to do. Give it a try. This time I'm not gonna put as much hardener in it. Just maybe put a little dab in it. Like that. That might be why it's drying so fast, but probably I was putting too much in there. So now we about to do it like this. What? See, that's the one thing that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to mix all of it together. You see how they. Maybe I'm going to. And another thing is maybe I'm going too slow. Or something like that. I don't know. But here goes nothing. We're ready to try it again. All right. Let me see if you can see this. Here we go. Okay. All right. Look like we're getting somewhere. For one, I was doing it too hard on that side. That was taking that away from me. They said try to lay it as smooth as you can. So I'm trying to. I ain't a professional, so. But I'm definitely definitely working it out. So far, I mean, I end up getting majority of them. Smoothing it out now. I mean, you'll be able to see it in a little bit. I'll let you see it in a minute. I'm trying to hit all the spots. Trying to hit them all. Then come back to this one right here. This big one. Then we just go back and okay, this time I think that's what it was. I was putting too much hardener in it. That's what that was. See, cause now I'm able to fan it out with little to no problem. You know, still got a little bit going on, but maybe once I okay, so it looks a lot better. Okay. Yeah, so now, from what I can see, it turned out better. I got them. I got the spots covered. So let me let y'all look at this. Look at it. The holes are covered. Look at that. But you know, I just got to go back and sand it. Once I sand it, I still got one right here, and then I still got this big one. Then I got that one, and then and then I should just be able to go back and sand it. So let me get that, and then I'll cut you back on. While I was waiting for the Bondo to dry, I had got a few things in the mail, you know. So let me show you what I got. Inserts that are missing off of the rims, and then I got these right here. That's the big one. That's gonna go in the back on the trunk. Then I got this right here, the Superman, being that I got the Superman inside. So let me show you about this right here. Now this right here, it's gonna go right here. See what I'm saying? That's gonna fit there. So that's gonna sit there like that. So I had to get those over. Right here. I'm thinking about putting those. I'm thinking they have them to sit right there. I don't know if I wanna get them wrapped gold or if I wanna leave them like that. But I'm thinking I'm gonna wrap them gold. I'm thinking so for the most part. Thinking that's gonna be wrapped gold. Keep these gold. And then this right here, this 4.6 right here, this the big one. So I'm guessing that this one is gonna go like somewhere probably about like right there or something like that. Trying to get a feel for what I want to do with it, you know, or either right there, somewhere like that. I don't know. Or I might just take like the Superman, take the Superman edition and take the Superman edition and put it like right there at the back of somewhere like that. So, you know, I'm trying to think of an idea to make all that work, to make it stick out, to make it be unique. So right now that's where I'm at. This Bondo, it feel like it's kind of dry, so I'm gonna start sanding on it in a little bit, see what we can get to come out of it. So give me a minute and I'll cut you back on. All right. I guess so. Now we about to start sanding it. Let's see what it look like when I start sanding. All right. Well, I see what they mean when they say try to keep it flat. But I mean not keeping it flat in certain spots. I don't know if you can see it like right there. If I would have had it flat, I wouldn't have had that. It still got a little indent there, and like right up in here, still got a little indent there. And then like where you see like the little lines right here, I'm gonna have to fill those in too. All of that's gonna have to be filled in. And even up here on this spot right here, as you can see, like these lines right here, those are what I can feel right now. But for the most part, it's smooth. Those big holes, they filled up, but I just gotta go back and do a little bit more work. So I'm gonna keep on working on it, and then we'll go from there. So let me get started again.